If you're looking for a beginner-friendly video editing software for your computer which is based on Linux, Mac operating system and Windows 10, Shotcut is a great option which you can go and download on your computer, which will give you so many features which you can utilize from this video editing software. So guys, if you're looking, it's very easy to use. So if you go to the official website of Shotcut video editing software, you can see some of the great features this amazing video editing software gives you. Like it supports 4K, it supports H.265, it supports H.264, it supports hardware acceleration, it supports pretty much like the latest image formats like GIF, JPEG, PNG, SVG, TGA and WebP and all those great image format it supports. It supports different file formats, different video formats, and it supports wide format support. So that's one of the great features, that you can get from this software. If you go down, you can see some of the great audio features like and it has audio filters which you can choose. Like you can do like different filters, you can control the bass, you can control the treble of the audio, you can do merge, you can do audio fade in, audio fade out, and you can convert stereo, you can convert mono, 5.1 surround sound, pitch compensation for video changes, and different kinds of audio features that you can get from this video editing software. It's very easy to use. That's one of the best thing about this video editing software. So guys, you can see some of the great video effects that this amazing video editing software gives you. Like it supports video compositing, like you can do different layouts when you're editing your videos, you can do de-interlacing, auto rotate, fade in, fade out, and you can control the saturation, and also it has a color grading system built into this video editing software. It's not a complex color grading, but still you get a perfect, like a decent color grading system on this video editing software which you can use to edit your videos. Like you can control the color, you can control the saturation, you can control the brightness, you can control the shadows, the midtones, the highlights, and everything you can control using this video editing software. It has chroma key advanced and chroma key support. Like you can do green screen editing in this video editing software. I'll show you a demonstration of me using how easy it is to get started using all those great video effects on this video editing software. So if you go to the official website, guys, you can see some of the great video effects. You can come and read, and it's actually very awesome. It's very easy to use, and you can just drag and drop your videos, and you can just start using the video. You can just use the effects just like that. You can control the contrast. You can do so many great things on this video editing software. It's actually very easy to use, beginner friendly video editing software. You can see some of the great editing features, like you have trimming, of course, you can do merging, you can do keyframe animation, you can do zoom, you can zoom your videos. You have different kinds of layers which you can use to make your editing much faster. So many kinds of great editing features that you can get from this video editing software. Like you can come and read this if you want. It supports all the major operating systems, guys. It supports Windows, Linux, Mac operating system. Like it supports pretty much all the major operating system. Even it supports Chrome OS. If you're having a Chromebook, you can install Shotcut video editing software on the Chromebook, and you can have a great time editing using this video editing software. When you first of all start up with Shotcut video editing software, this is how it will look like. This is the user interface of Shotcut video editing software. To get yourself started editing on this video editing software, first of all, guys, you need to locate where you're going to save your exported video. I'm just going to leave it as home, archive and videos. This is going to be my default exporting folder. Next, what you need to do, guys, you need to give your name for your project. So I'm just going to give test 679. And next, what you need to do, you need to choose your video mode. So you can choose different resolutions. You can choose and start editing. You can choose 1080p 30 frames per second. You can choose Full HD 24 frames per second. You can choose 4K. Even you can choose custom, and you can add your manual. You can add your custom resolution and start editing. I'm just going to choose HD 24 frames per second for this demonstration. Just click on that button and just click on this button which says start. Like options which you can choose, there is playlist, filters, properties, and export. You should go to the option which says playlist, and now you can drag and drop your videos, and then you can start editing. So you can go to your folder and you can start dragging and dropping your videos. You can go to your timeline and go to track operation and just click on this button which says add video track. Now what you can do, guys, you can just drag and drop the track on your timeline just like this. You can drag and drop the videos. So guys, if you want to merge your videos, like for example, if you want to add the second track, what you need to do, guys, you have to just drag and drop it like this. You can just merge the video just like this. When the first video finishes, it will actually go to the second video. So that's how we can merge the videos. Come here, this align where you need to cut, from which part you need to cut in your video, and just click on this button, and then you can come here to the ending part of the video which you want to cut, and just click on this button again, and then you can choose the clip, and then you can click remove. So guys, if you want to make the video much more better looking, you can add a fade in and fade out effect to your video to make it more professional. So you can just choose the video. I'm just going to choose the first clip, and then next you're going to go to this option which says filters. In filters, guys, you're going to get most of the effects, most of the video effects you're going to be getting from the filters. So filters is actually very important, because you're going to go to filters and then click on this button, the plus icon, and then you can search all your filters which you're going to be adding on your video. So as you can see, guys, we have fade in, fade out audio, fade out video. We can choose. I'm just going to choose on this button which says fade in video. You have to just click on this button, and now when the video starts, it will give you a fade in effect to your video. It's actually pretty awesome. So when the video starts, it will give you a fade in effect to your video, and then you can do a fade out, so that when the video finishes and when it goes to the next track, it will give you a fade out video.